I have, like you, heard the tall tales told about the Marsh Girl. An abandoned child.
I had a family once. They called me Kaya.
A little girl surviving in the marsh on her own, reviled and shunned.
Hello, Miss Kaya.
I hear y'all buy mussels.
Sometimes I feel so invisible. I wonder if I'm here at all.
You are.
I think you're gorgeous. I want to get to know you better.
There's no fingerprints on the railing, the grates, nothing.
No fingerprints?
Being isolated was one thing. Being hunted, quite another.
You didn't see me here.
The Marsh Girl. She killed him.
I know you have a world of reasons to hate these people.
No, I never hated them. They hated me. They harassed me.
Oh, they never did see me here.
You want me to beg for my life? I won't. They're not deciding anything about me.
There are places I will never, ever go.
In spite of everything trying to stomp it out, life persists.
Things that only Carolina.
Way out yonder, where the crawdads sing, the marsh knows one thing above all else. Every creature does what it must to survive.